Standard 8 Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 3, Understanding the Database Part 1. Students, you must have noted how information is arranged alphabetically in a dictionary or in an encyclopedia. All of you seen a dictionary, yes or no? Huh? A to Z wise. Alphabetically, all the information will be saved written on the dictionary. Whenever you want to find some information about anyone or any number, whatever you want, okay, you can find with the alphabet very easily. Okay, the dictionary or encyclopedia also has an index at the back to help you search for information quickly at any point of time. In other words, the dictionary or the encyclopedia contains related information organized in a logical manner for easy access. You can find very easily whatever information you want. The dictionary and the encyclopedia are two examples of a simple database. What is a database? First, student, what is a data? In simple words, data can be facts related to any object in consideration. For example, your name, age, height, weight, etc. are some data related to you. A picture, image, file, PDF, etc. can also be considered data. What is a database? A database is a systematic collection of data. They support electronic storage and manipulation of data. Databases make data management easy. Now student, let us discuss a database example. An online telephone directory uses a database to store data of people, phone numbers and other contact details. Your electricity service provider uses a database to manage billing, client related issues, handle fault data, etc. What is DBMS? Database Management System is a software for storing and retrieving users' data while considering appropriate security measures. It consists of a group of programs which manipulates the database. The DBMS accepts the request for data from an application and instruct the operating system to provide the specific data. In large systems, a DBMS helps users and other third-party software to store and retrieve data. DBMS allows users to create their own databases as per their requirement. The term DBMS includes the users of the database and other application programs. It provides an interface between the data and the software application. Stands for Relational Database Management System, RDBMS. An RDBMS is a DBMS designed specifically for relational databases. An RDBMS may also provide a visual representation of the data. For example, it may display data in a tables like a spreadsheet, allowing you to view and even edit individual values in the table. Now student, relational database refers to a database that stores data in a structured format using rows and columns. This makes it easy to locate and access specific values within the database. It is relational because the values within each table are related to each other. Tables may also be related to other tables. The relational structure makes it possible to run queries across multiple tables at once. In RDBMS, data is organized in the form of database, table, and fields. A database contains tables, forms, queries, and reports. It is the main file or document used to manage all the information. A table is designed to enter and hold basic information in the grid of rows and columns. Each row is called as record and each column is called as field. Queries. Queries are the extract of information from the different tables based on specific question or inquiry. Form. Form is the tool used to you can enter and edit the data in your database. Report. Report is a way of presenting data on monitor or you can finally take the print on the paper. Fields. The data in the table is organized into columns called fields. Thank you.